Hello, sir. I'm Swapnil from PICT TE3 entry batch, and this is the assignment number 7 of PLSQL block where we need to create two tables. The first table is a customer table, and second table is a category table. The customer table having these three fields. If I execute, then you can see there are three fields: customer ID, name, and total purchase. And then category table having a three fields to customer ID, name, and class, where customer ID is a foreign key, which takes the primary key customer ID of the customer table. So currently, customer table having this three record, which I have already inserted. So you can see there, if I execute select star from customer, then it having these three records. So I have created this proc create a procedure according to the assignment need. I take it as a parameter as a purchase ID, purchase customer ID, and the customer name as a parameter. So this is a block for the exception handling. If record is not found, then it will show that the record is not found in a table. So it is kind of exception handling. So according to the assignment, if the purchase is in between the 20,000 to 10,000, then we need to insert the category as a platinum. So I inserted a customer ID, name, and a class as a platinum. Uh, Means it having a category as a platinum if it is between 2000 to 10,000. It in the second condition, if purchase is in between 5,000 to 999,000, then the category is gold. So similarly, I have inserted the record in customer ID, name, and category as a gold. Similarly, the if the purchase is in between 2000 to 4,099 909,000, then its category is a silver. So this is about the procedure. If I execute this procedure, then you can see the procedure is successfully created with the records. So currently, category table having no records. So if you can see, actually it having the records because okay, fine. Firstly I go to truncate the record, truncate table category. So all the records are deleted. So you can see where that there is a no record in a category table. Once I've called these procedures, then this record will be inserted into the category table. So I called the first procedure. Um, it's successfully called. I called the second procedure, which is successfully called. I called the third procedure. Uh, I called the third procedure, which is also successfully called. So these three procedures are called. Now we see the category table. So category table now having this three new records which is inserted via procedure. So you can see the Swapnil having the class platinum because its amount is between the 11, its purchase is 11,000, which is in between 20,000 to 10,000. Ganesh is placed as a gold as a class because you can see his purchase is 6,000. It means it is in between 5,000 to 999,000. Uh, Saurabh plays in a silver category because its purchase is 2,000 to 999,000. So this this is about this procedure. So once according to the purchase, the record are inserted and class are inserted in this procedures. Now we check the exception handling. If suppose we going proc grade and we enter the data like which is not in a customer table. So suppose I execute, then it will show me the it is not found. So that's why its procedure is called but record is not found. So it is about the exception handling part. Thank you, sir. This is about all about the seventh assignment.